guys, it's Ashley from Warlocks Convention, and this is another Wizarding Chunk unboxing from the gallery. Now, I'm pretty sure this is, I can't remember, 4th, 5th lessons box, so we're just gonna get into it together because I can't remember. Because I know I also ordered the Hagrid box after it's already been out and stuff. This was just a restock, so I ordered that one because I really did like all the stuff that was in it. The only thing was missing was a candle. I didn't care for that. I didn't care, so I went ahead and ordered that, but I think this is the lessons box. So might have to cut it first with my scissors. Did that work? So, as always, Magical Post bi-monthly box. And that's what it looks like. Makeups. I'm excited to see what's in it. I tried not to look at spoilers because it just started coming to people this week and last, so hopefully I did a good job. Okay, so here, this is the spoiler sheet. It is Divinations and History. So yeah, it's got 11 things in it. The next box will contain Defense and Alchemy lessons. So there's the spoiler sheet. So we shall set that to the side and just go on. It's always got little wormings here. And the t-shirt. I have so many Harry Potter shirts. We need to do like videos. That is an awfully big shirt. It's extra large, but it's fine. So this is the shirt. It's very big. It says, what does it say? Warlocks Convention 1709. So there's so it's got just a picture, I guess, of some warlocks. I'm not sure, but I do love the gray and the simple black picture. So there's that. I would put it on, but I've got my sweater and stuff on, so we're gonna go with, oh. So let's see, the next, so many good little things. The next thing is this little purple velvety bag that's got a, it says no. Trying to, like, I know my face is probably making it not. There we go. No on it. And then yes. So we will look at the no. Divination's coin. So you can toss it and it tells you yes or no. And there's that. I wish I had somewhere to actually put stuff, but I don't. So something just flipped right out here, and it is a pen badge. It says 18th Century Goblin Rebellion. Does it do anything, or is it just, usually their pens are kind of interactive, but it's very big. It's got a lot of books. Some goblins. So. But yeah, I mean, the past couple pins I've gotten in boxes are been humongous, so nothing new. But that's interesting. That's nice, not bad. we will get to that in a minute. There's so many boxes. Okay. I gotta open this. This looks like a potion of some sort, and it's really well wrapped. Like, really well wrapped. What is this? Some kind of alchemy for the skin product. So it's self-awareness and emotional healing ointment. Like, it feels like maybe I can see why it was packed now, because it feels like it's kind of spilled out a little. It's really oily feeling. We're gonna leave it in this baggie because I'm not all too sure about that, but this is what it looks like. It's very, like I said, it's very oily. Oh, if you can. It's not getting a very clear picture. But yeah, it's got some rocks and stuff in there, so I'm not really sure. I'm assuming this is a product that we use. But we're gonna set that to the side. We're gonna put it back in this little thing. My hands are really slippery now. Okay, so I guess the next thing we'll look at is this little necklace. It's like a quartz necklace, it looks like, kind of. Oh no, what is that? That's not a necklace. What is it? I don't even know what it is. It's really pretty. I don't know what it is though. But it's got a little string here. It's just like this pink shimmery thing. Not sure, not sure. I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Rose quartz chip pendulum. So you use it with the back of the, okay, so you use it with the back of this. The inner eye oil. Okay, I need to stop reading before I, like, some of the stuff I saw in there was awesome. So we have a box. Now I think I saw a spoiler for this and I'm so freaking excited for this because I think Cauldron Crate did one like this in one of their boxes not too, like a year or two ago, and I have wanted it forever. Never got it. I think it's on their website still to buy it, so sooner or later I am going to buy it because it is awesome looking. But with all that being said, they did their own version of it, and oh my god, this is freaking adorable, guys. It is the teacup that has the gem inside. Like, I freaking love that. Like I said, I think Cauldron Crate did one, and I love theirs as well, so I'm probably gonna end up getting that. But this one is really different from that one, and it's got the floral around it. But look at this. Oh my god, that's great. I love that. I'm gonna put it back in the box. I was excited to see that among other things. Oh, that's heavy. It's very heavy. Oh, look at this. Damn, there's some heavy shit in here, guys. Sorry. We got a white ominous box. guys. Okay, something tells me this might be like part of the white box. So there's another white box. Yeah. So this goes with this white box. Guys, we have a stand. So you can't kind of see it. So we all know what stand is for. Freaking gorgeous. It is a crystal ball. And you guys, when I say it, it's gorgeous. It is like, it's got, like, I guess that's like the Grim head inside. You can't see it. Well, kind of. Damn, I wish, there we go. Is that not the coolest freaking thing? Look at that. I mean, that is, I don't even know where I'm gonna put this. Like, it's pretty, like the stand, I could see the stand being maybe a little bigger, but it's, because it's got some heft to it. So, look at that. I adore this. I mean, I don't. Crap. No. The next thing we have is the Warlocks Convention. I guess this is like a pamphlet, kind of, or like an itinerary of what they are doing. And just, it says order of business. According to wizard laws and traditions, decisions made at the convention by popular vote are final and may not be amended unless disputed in Supreme Wizard Court. Dragon breeding restrictions, trade, categorization of magical creatures, ban on experimental breeding, non-human wand use restrictions, and so on and so forth. That is beautiful. I usually love their paper replicas. Then we have another box. Pretty sure that's all. Maybe this feels like a potion because it's okay, so what is this? Is it broken? Is it liquidy and it feels like stuff is coming out of it. Daydream Potion. Like this label is let's see. It's like really wet. I don't know why. But look at this. And the top, purple, Weasley Wizards. I'm gonna have to wipe that down because, yeah, it's leaking all in the bag. But this is gorgeous. Like, this is really pretty. It's like a shimmery color orange. That's awesome. This is a long video, I'm sorry. Then we have the Green Witch Tarot cards. I'll show you what some of them they look like. I don't know how to read tarot cards, but these are really, really pretty. Like, look at this. Just the artwork. And so I'm not going to go through all these because there's a lot, but maybe I'll do like a small video on each of them and show you them because these are really pretty. There's that. A mess of crap. Last but not least is Danny's book covers that he does. So it says Centaurian Divination. The Sacred. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I really need to buy these books so I can put these covers on. But I love the firelight. Those are gorgeous. So yeah, this video is long, guys. So that was everything in this trunk. And I'm not gonna lie, the teacup, the Weasley potion, the tarot cards, the crystal ball, all favorites. So yeah, really enjoyed it. So we have the Secrets of Centaurian Divination's book cover for the 6th hardback edition, the American, the crystal ball, the classroom pin, the Divination's coin, the Warlock Convention shirt, the Daydream Potion, so it says this is the first product you will be receiving from our new Widdershins shop for tricks and treats. That's gonna be cool. The Rose Quartz Chip Pendulum, the Tea Leaves Teacup, the Inner Eye Oil Warlock Convention Agenda Itinerary, so I'm down for this box, guys. Love it. So yeah, I will see you guys next time with another unboxing. Who knows? Not me. Hi guys.